Welcome to virtual class of Physical Education Class 11. Lesson 6 Physical Activity and Leadership Training. Today topic is meaning, objective and type of adventure sports. Rock climbing. Meaning of adventure sports. Adventure sports have been around the thousands of years. Only they haven't exactly been considered sports. The word adventure sports reveal the meaning themes well. They are thrilling and adventures. They give to the participant in the brush with death and a feeling of both fear and pleasure. Adventure sports range of extreme water sports like river rafting and land activities like rock climbing, mountaineering, etc. These activities are addictive and peaceful to some of howling for others. According to Living Dangerously website, adventure sports are used to clarify certain activities that feature a high level of danger. These activities often involve speed, a high level of physical exertion, and high specialization gear of spectacular stunts. These can be competitive or non-competitive and often involve individual participants rather than teams. According to Sports Adventure website, adventure sports have been best defined as outdoor sports or activities in which the participant competition in the compete in the natural environment more engaged themselves than engaged others. Conclusion. By examining the above mentioned definitions, we can conclude that adventure sports is any sports featuring risk, excitement, speed, height, and dangers. They require a strong mental attitude as well as high level of physical strength of outcome and challenges of the natural world. Aim of adventure sports. The aim of adventure sports is to provide the carefully planned situations, environments which will help can each individual and blind excellent foundation or creative learning and independence. Objectives of adventure sports. Number one, developing cooperation and teamwork. While participating in adventure sports which involve group activities, one learning to cooperate and work as a team. Overcome problems. Adventure sports develop the capacity of face the difficulty, overcomes the problems. One of the objectives and adventure sports is to develop courage and determination. Adventure sports help to participate to accept challenges with courage and move ahead with determination. Develop physical fitness. Adventure sports are help to develop components of physical fitness like speed, flexibility, strength, and endurance. To develop physical fitness is an important objective of adventure sports. Knowledge about the forest resources. Adventure sports help to the understand and give knowledge about different forest, forest resources and their use. Develop thrill and recreation. Adventure sports provide the recreation, excitement, and thrill. It develop its spirit to risk taking because adventure activities contain a high level of danger. By building in adventure sports, an individual develops the spirit of risk taking. Development of curiosity and imagination. Adventure sports are helpful to develop curiosity and imagination of all participants in these sports. Give participants the chance of experience nature. Understanding nature. Most of the adventure sports are outdoor activities which give enough opportunities to experience nature which develop bonding with nature, developing positive attitudes towards life. Most adventure activities are individualized because each individual work as his one pace, repeating a task as often as he like, leading to the series of successfully achievement which in turn development positive attitude towards life. Help in development of self-confidence. Adventure sports are designed for an individual in such a way which develop self-confidence. People assigning an adventure sports activities compact with teams and therefore have a great sense of accomplishment with they reach their goal. This sense of accomplishment boosts the self confidence of a person. Classification of adventure sports. Adventure sports activities are classified of the three categories: land based